Nandito ako sa Victoria Sports Tower para sa isa na namang press conference. Nandito ako sa Victoria Sports Tower para sa press conference na naman ng isang pageant. Nandito na ako sa loob ng Victoria Sports Tower. Papunta ako ng 8th floor. Doon gaganapin yung press conference. So, it's the announcement of the new Universal Woman Philippines 2025. Dito ako sa sundan natin sila. Kasama ko dito ang ibang mga pageant media. Thank you. Left or right? Okay. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Hi, how are you? Gaganapin ang press conference dito sa loob ng theater.
Meanwhile,
so, kain muna kami. Bago mag-start ang press conference ay pinakain muna kami. At ito yung mga kinuha kong pagkain. Mami Ja, Eklagus. Hi Mars.
a few moments later.
Pagkatapos namin kumain ay bumalik na kami sa loob ng theater dahil mag-uumpisa na ang press conference. Ready na ang mga pageant media para mag-cover.
A pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming here for this very momentous event, because officially we will be announcing a new queen who will be representing our country, the Philippines, in another international stage. This competition, of course, for the upcoming Universal Woman 2025.
Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon to all friends in pageant media, TV networks, online media. Thank you for having us today.
The moment we've all been waiting for. Let us all welcome and give a big hand to our Universal Woman Philippines 2025. She is also the pride and face of Victoria Sports Club, the lovely and multi-talented Miss Jasmine Omay. Wow! Ayan, ready sila na. Of course, Miss Jasmine Omay, hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, I'm so excited for you.
Ayan, good afternoon everyone. Maraming salamat po for coming. I really don't know what I'll feel today kasi when I knew about me being appointed as Universal Woman, parang ang bilis ng mga nangyari. And right now, we're preparing. And at this moment, kaba lang talaga yung nararamdaman ko. I am not used to being in this side of any press conference, of any interview, because I'm always hosting the girls who we send off. So maraming salamat po. And I am very excited to be with you in this journey.
Ayan na! Once again, Mrs. Jasmine Omay, our Universal Woman Philippines. And the crowd. It's a month na lang ata. More than a month na lang, it's gonna be her competition. Wow. Fits you perfectly.
Our official representative for a Universal Woman 2025 is Jasmine Omay.
Jasmine or Kiko Omay, Universal Woman Philippines!
Picture taking kasama si CJ Opiasa at Sir Arnold Vegapria. Bago matapos ang press conference ni Jasmine Omay ay nagpakitang gilas muna ito sa rampahan.
Jasmine! Iikot yan, oh! Iikot yan!
Tapos na ang aking coverage sa naganap na press con dito sa Victoria Sports Tower sa Quezon City. Ang Universal Woman Philippines 2025 announcement.